What's up, guys? I'm back. Hey, I'm back. I don't know if you guys noticed I've been missing in action. I don't really have a lot of followers, so to the 24 followers that I do have, I've been missing in action, and I'm back today. Um, I just wanted to come back and get to being myself and learning that I don't have to do what other people are doing. I just want to be myself. And I think that's the only way to be, the quality way to be, is to be yourself. So I'm just coming back. I think I'm going to continue to do this because I actually like recording. I actually like doing this thing. I just don't like editing. But I still, like to do this. So I just want to continue to do it and be more consistent in what I'm doing. Lately, I've just been dwelling on, or contemplating on, if I want to do this, if this is something that I really want to do, and it keep playing in my head, and I keep hearing the same thing over and over. So I just said, let me give it a try and see if I can be more consistent with myself, be more consistent with everything in my life, because consistency to me equals success. I mean, that's just how I feel. But I just want to come back and get more consistent in what I'm doing and try my best to see if this is something that if I truly want to do this. Do I truly want to do this? I don't like the editing part, but I do like to record. I have so much footage in this camera right now. So much. I just, stopped because I hated the editing part. But I will get to the point where it's not going to be easy, but I will get to the point where I can maybe find time, because that'd be the only thing to me. It's the time consuming thing. Yeah, so I feel like that consistency does equal success. So in that sense, I feel like I need to be consistent in everything in my life, not just YouTube, but in life. Diet, working out, just taking care of myself and being healthy, keeping up with family and friends. I don't really have any friends like that, but I do have my family, which I love so dearly. Everyone in my family, I love them so much. But I don't have friends like that. I don't even have friends, period. So I guess I'll just talk to you guys. And, well, I do got one. I have a friend in God, and the Father and the Son, the Holy Spirit, all of them. I have a friend in them. So that's the best friends you can have. So yeah, I just wanted to come back and just let you guys know that I do want to start being more consistent and start back to recording, back to letting you guys in my life, because I'm not doing anything just super special, but like I said, I like to record. So hey, look at the hair. It's time to come down because it's super it's a crochet. And I just do this because for me, it's a protective style, and I feel like leaving my hair alone would just help it a whole lot. So I just start, just leave it alone. Just do something that looks cute, looks a little natural. And I've been getting so many compliments on it. It's Free Tress Pearl Curl, I think. It's time to take it down. It's been up 2 weeks, so it's time to take it down. Yeah, I just wanted to come back and let you guys know I'm back. Hey, I'm back. So just be expecting some videos, and hopefully we'll talk soon. Right now, I'm about to go out and give me some vitamin C, because I don't know how sometimes you can be feeling down, and if you just go outside and get you some of that vitamin D, you will be feeling much better. Like, I just need to go outside and experience some nature and just basically hear some birds chirping or something, because I'm in a house. I've been in the house all week, so I just want to get out and basically feel good, breathe in some good fresh air. And I'm gonna find me a little trail to walk on, but I guess I'll see you guys out there. Yeah, so my mom bought me this little, she bought a set of three of these little pants that come with like a little skirt. It's too small. It's a large, but it's too small. And I guess it's gonna be my walking outfit for today. It's cool. It's light and it's airy, and it covers my pad for right now because it's that time of the month. And this is really comfortable. And I guess this is my walking outfit for today. Yeah. Hopefully, I don't sweat too hard. I have on a gray shirt where you can really see it, but it's pretty nice outside today. And I think these are so comfortable. But look at that. You can hear them thighs, baby. You can hear them thighs from a mile away. I don't care. Yeah, see, this is where I come to get that sunlight, that good old sunlight, being good old nature, feeling that good old fresh air. I know it seems like I'm out here by myself. There's so many people out here. Everybody's walking, everybody's riding their bikes, jogging. It's a nice little trail. I literally just turned around though, because I seen that they got reptiles out here. And I seen local reptiles. Yeah, it's time for me to get on out on the street. Walking up a hill right now. So it's really hard. I don't know about y'all, but can y'all believe it's February? Like, it is so warm outside right now. And I don't know, this is just so weird. It was like, I think it's like 80 degrees today. It was like 90 last week sometime. I want to say that was like Tuesday. That is so good. But, yeah, I'm about to sit out here for like another hour. And then I got to get home, shower, and study. Because I did sweat a lot while I was walking. And then I'm going to go ahead and study because I've been slacking off a little bit. So I got to get back home and do what I need to do. Because I don't know if I told you guys, but your girl is back in school. I'm trying to do or get my degree just to have something like under my belt. And I need that. So, like, at least have a degree under my belt for real. So, yep, I'm about to sit out here and enjoy the sun a little bit more. And then I'm going to go home, chill out for the day, maybe find something to cook. I don't know. I want to eat out because I don't feel like cooking right now, but I don't feel like cooking today, period. But yeah, this is pretty weird, but it's nice outside, and I like that. I like that it's nice outside, and we can get out here in February because I really wasn't ready for it yet. I'm not ready for February. I'm not ready for the warm weather. Let's say that. I ain't got my body right. I got none of that right. So I was just wondering, why are you coming so early? Stay where you at. What's up, y'all? So it's Sunday today, and I'm just out here to run a few errands, grocery shopping, which is like one of my favorite things to do. I'm about to go to Sprouts, I think. I like Sprouts. I actually just started going to them like a lot. Like every weekend I go to them, go to the store, because I really like that store. I feel like it's like low key, but it got like a lot of good healthy stuff in there. Almost like a good healthy Aldi's maybe. I don't know. But I like Sprouts. I really do. I like all the little things they be having in there. Of course, I gotta probably stop at Walmart because they got some things there I need too. Also, I think that's the only thing I need to do. I need to run to the beauty supply store too. So I can get ready for next week, because I got to be in the office next week. I need to prep all my stuff for next week, like food, get my clothes together, you know, what I'm going to wear to the office next week. Also, I need to get my hair together, because it's time for this to come down. But yeah, I did tell you guys about me coming back and just trying to stay consistent. I want to do this for at least not a year, but just to see where I can be in a year, you know, to try to stay consistent and and will be able to, see where I can be in a year just by me being consistent. With me being just consistent and, just trying to stay with this, my relationship with God has gotten much more closer. And I think it's because I wasn't focused on a lot of other things that I was focused on in life. I'm going to focus on being me. I'm going to focus on doing me. This is the time where I can go and just better myself, better. So yeah, we went in on the groceries, baby. I went in on the groceries. I didn't just buy it, I just took it out. So we got some apple juice, organic apple juice. We got some, this is from Sprouts too. This is organic almond milk. It's unsweetened. I don't like the sweetened kind. The sweetened kind be too thick for me, but I did get some of this juice. This is like a favorite in our house. This is Lakewood organic pineapple ginger. You can get those in like Whole Foods. You can get it at Walmart, I seen too. So, you can get those anywhere, and they're kind of cheaper in Whole Foods and in Walmart. I got it from Sprouts, and it was like $9.99 a bottle. But they're organic, and I feel like they got like just those ingredients in it, which is a good thing for me. I don't want to get all the, have all those chemicals in it when it looks like chemistry on there. So this one says organic pineapple juice and organic ginger. So you can see that. I don't know if it's showing there, but just, minimum ingredients. So these are some organic bananas. Of course, in Sprouts, I had got everything. Everything that I got was organic. I got the orange juice, organic, from Sprouts. And I'm just showing you all the things that I got from Sprouts that was organic. But I did go shopping at Walmart too. So I got some halos. I got some garlic powder and onion powder because we are totally out. Pineapples, and I said I wanted to get some of those, just like for an easy smoothie make. These are mango chunks here. Strawberry chunks. And then I got some organic shredded romaine, as far as like, got 2 packs of those. I got some Baby Bella mushrooms, organic as well. I didn't realize this had cheese in it because, like I don't think I told y'all, but I'm trying, like Monday, today's Sunday. Monday, I'm going to go plant-based for like 21 days. So hopefully I can do that. Maybe I can eat this tonight. But yeah, starting out, kicking it off. It's lemon parmesan chopped kicks. So I'm going to try that too. I got this from Walmart, but it's organic Dijon mustard. I just want to try to make some of my own salad dressings and stuff like that. I did get the wraps here. They're not organic, but it's like these garden spinach herb wraps here, the green. And I just wanted to have something that was kind of, you know, like healthy, really healthy. I got some plantain from Walmart. And then I got like 2 things of baby kale here. And I'm sorry, I keep scratching my nose. Those allergies are kicking my butts. Yeah, so I got that. I think I am done with, no. I got some avocados, lemon. I've never tried this before, but I want to try it now. Organic balsamic vinaigrette of Modena. Got that from Walmart. I want to try it like for a salad. Also got some avocado oil and olive oil. Avocado oil is not organic, but the olive oil says it's organic. I hope that it is. That looks to be, oh, I got some corn here. There are some eggs also for my husband. Some organic corn. I want to try to do like the little grilled corn. Hopefully I can do some grilled corn. Got some red bell peppers and onion. But that's mostly for my husband. That's mostly for him. Because I'm about to make him some stew for the week. And make my own stuff for the week. But let me put this food up first. time is done. Bath time is done, and now I am going to give me a foot massage and go to bed.